Hello and welcome to my first YouTube video. My name is WorldEdit and I'm a scientist from Germany who likes to build things out of LEDs. Now, this is my first video, so I'm sure I make a lot of mistakes, so feel free to leave any suggestions down in the comments. Now, this is going to be a video series on how to build an LED wire tree, like the one you see before you. Now, this is just a simple wire tree, like you've probably seen before, and it has LEDs on all the ends of it. And I have seen other people show projects like this on YouTube, and I've also seen companies who sell similar things, but I've never seen really a tutorial on how to make one yourself. So this is what I'm going to do. And yeah, this is going to be the introduction. Now you see, I've used a wooden base, green wires, and if I turn it on, you can see I've used warm white LEDs. And your tree can be any shape and size you want. You can make it out of an old cigar case or out of an old tin. You can use different colored wires. You can have different colored LEDs. You can even have color changing LEDs that are available now, and LEDs that are twinkling. That is really cool, but that will make the wiring a little bit more difficult. Now, to make one of these trees, you're gonna need the better part of a weekend, I guess. So it's not gonna be very fast. And I think I spent about $30 on all of the stuff you see in front of you. But I bought some of it in bulk, so you might have to spend a little bit more. And I'm sure you can buy such an LED tree very cheaply from China, but well, there's a lot of satisfaction in making things with your own hands. So yeah, LED trees like these make very nice gifts. I gave one to a couple for their wedding. And I also gave one to my mother, but it's very time consuming, so it's more for a special occasion. And this is the first LED tree I ever made, and I'm not going to go too much into the details here because, well, I've done a lot of trial and error so far, so I'm going to try and spare you that. The skills that you will need is, well, of course you will need some manual skills because it's gonna be a little bit fiddly with all the wiring, but it's not gonna be too bad. And some basic knowledge about electronics will be good, but I don't think it's really necessary. It helps if you are familiar with soldering a bit, and well, if you are a beginner, then I suggest that you buy exactly what I bought, and that will make it easier. But if you have some knowledge of electronics, you can experiment with your own things. Now this LED tree is battery powered. It has a switch, so it has 3 settings, 2 brightness settings and off, that is. But the one we're gonna make will have a power supply. I think that's just much more convenient. You don't have the hassle of always recharging the battery. And now I'm also gonna show you how it looks in the dark. Let me turn off the lights here a bit. And yeah, I think it looks very nice. And with the lower brightness setting, this is better for mood lighting when you're watching TV or something. And yeah, this is about it. In the next part I will cover all the materials that you will need for this build. Thanks for watching, and if you want to build an LED tree together with me, then please subscribe to my channel and also leave a like. That would be very nice. Bye bye.